Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we learn daily use English sentences. So, without wasting of time, let's begin. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Does not matter. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Does not matter. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. ये हैरान कुन है. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. ये अच्छा है. It is nice. It is nice. मुझे आपका ख्याल है. I care about you. I care about you. जल्दी आना. Come soon. Come soon. अपने हाथ धो लो. Wash your hand. Wash your hand. खुद जाओ. Go yourself. Go yourself. देर नहीं करना. Don't be late. Don't be late. मैं समझ गया. I understand. I understand. फिक्र ना करो. Don't worry. Don't worry. जगह खाली करो. Vacate the place. Vacate the place. Vacate का मतलब है खाली करना और place का मतलब है जगह. ज़रा एहतियात से. Be careful. Be careful. मुझे इजाज़त दो. Allow me. Allow me. गाली मत दो. Don't abuse. Don't abuse. इसे जारी रखें. Keep it up. Keep it up. बहुत बुरा. Very bad. Very bad. क्या तुम कर सकते हो? Can you do it? Can you do it? उसे भूल जाओ. Forget it. Forget it. कोई खबर. Any news. Any news. ये खूबसूरत है. It is beautiful. It is beautiful. मुझे ये पसंद है. I like it. I like it. ले आओ. Bring that. Bring that. इत्फाक से. By chance. By chance. तुम बेवकूफ़ हो. You are idiot. You are idiot. Idiot का मतलब है बेवकूफ़. मेरा मसला नहीं. Not my problem. Not my problem. मैं वादा करता हूँ. I promise. I promise. क्या परेशानी है? What a bother. What a bother. ख्याल रखना. Take care. Take care. कहीं नज़र न लगे. Touch wood. Touch wood. एक नवाला खा लो. Take a bite. Take a bite. Bite का मतलब है नवाला या लुकमा. ये दोबारा करो. Do it again. Do it again. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. पीछे देखो. Look back. Look back. बस सुनो. Just listen. Just listen. समझदार बनो. Be sensible. Be sensible. बोलना बंद करो. Stop talking. Stop talking. मैं नहीं मानता. I don't agree. I don't agree. दिखावा मत करो. Don't pretend. Don't pretend. मैं मुश्किल में हूँ. I am in trouble. I am in trouble. मुझसे बात करो. Talk to me. Talk to me. वक्त ख़त्म हुआ. Time is up. Time is up. बस बहुत हो चुका. That's enough. That's enough. तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. Get ready. अच्छा ख्याल है. Good idea. Good idea. Thanks for watching viewers. Please वीडियो को लाइक और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें. अल्लाह हाफिज़.